Hey guys, welcome back to Curbside Mechanics. I'm Jake, and today we're going to be taking care of the automatic transmission fluid change on my 2008 Ford Raider. This project is going to be about the same for most vehicles with automatic transmissions. Some may be different, but today we're going to be going over this particular one. So what we're going to be using is the automatic transmission filter kit, which comes with the filter, the gaskets, and a new filter bolt, Mercon 5 ATF, because this vehicle calls for Mercon 5, some brake clean or drain pans, some tin foil, a Scotch-Brite pad, a little scraper there just in case, and then our common set of mechanic hand tools. All right, I already did lift the front of the vehicle up. It's not necessary, but we'll lift it up just to get a little bit more working room underneath the vehicle. As you can tell, it's a little windy, but we'll jump right into it. All right, so moving on, we're gonna have a ratchet with a extension and a 8mm socket. Might need to use a universal joint extension, but we'll see. All right, so the first step right here, kind of hard to see on the camera, but right here there's a heat shield. Kind of just has to pop off. All right, so now we got the heat shield out of the way. We can start taking off bolts. So our plan here, we're gonna leave these back 3 in place, and we're gonna start taking off all of these so that we can make a little wedge kinda to drain all of the transmission fluid. So we're gonna start kind of here in the center. There, yeah, decided the leak got a little earlier than I had originally thought. This thing right here is full of fluid and it needs to get dumped. Last bolt is out. Let's So I'm going to carefully liberate this pan. There we go. Alright, so now that the messiest part is over, let's take a look at what we got here. So, counted them, got all the 18 bolts, so that's all correct. We got our drain pan, and right here is a little magnet. So this magnet's going to collect metal shavings, which is alright, it's normal. As long as there isn't any big shavings in the drain pan, then you're good. Alright, so our next step, we're going to take our brake cleaner and some shop towels. We're going to clean out this drain pan, and then we're going to take our Scotch-Brite pad and our scraper over there. We're going to clean up this edge so that it has a nice mating surface for that new gasket. Also, whenever you're scraping off some of this excess crap around here on the pan, you want to use a plastic scraper, because a metal scraper will actually groove into the metal on here, and that could cause a leak. So whenever you're scraping, get a plastic scraper. Alright, now we're going to use a 10mm socket to get the old transmission filter off. Got the bolt off. Now, there we go. Got the old filter off. Alright, so now that I've got the old filter off, we're going to compare it to our new filter. Make sure that everything is the exact same on it. So with the 4x4 models on these, they have the longer tube, just like that one. So you gotta be careful. You gotta make sure you're buying the right ones, because they make these to look exactly like the one that's in there, but it'll have a short tube. If you get the one with the short tube, it's not the right one, at least for this particular model. Alright, so once we get that filter off, we're going to grab some rags and clean up and try to dry out the edge around this, so we have a nice dry mating surface to mate that new gasket. If it's too dirty, you put some brake clean on a rag and clean it up. Alright, so prior to putting everything back together, we got to get the O-rings that were supplied with the new transmission filter. We're gonna get a little bit of the old fluid and just coat the rings in them, and then pop them into the new spots. There's one. There's two. Alright, so now we're going to start putting everything back together. So we have our new transmission filter, and it came with a new bolt, which is very convenient. It's an 8mm, just like the rest of the bolts on this transmission, so it'll make it easy and make them all the same. So first thing we got to do is we got to pop it back into place. Alright, so now that is in. We're going to take our new bolt. We are going to put it back together. Alright, doesn't have to be too tight, just enough. Alright, so now comes the part that I'm least looking forward to, and that is reattaching the drain pan back to the vehicle with the new rubber gasket. So now they're all stuck with the pan, we're going to be tightening them down. So we're going to be using an X pattern so that the gasket seats correctly. Alright, so after we got that drain pan tightened down, we're going to take a look at our old fluid. So I transferred the old fluid from this drain pan into this measuring bucket. And as you can see, it says we're just above 3 quarts. Now, considering how much I actually dropped on the ground, I'd say we're more closer to 4, maybe even 5 quarts. Now you're not supposed to over add transmission fluid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the 4 quarts and see if that's the right level. All right, so we got a funnel into our transmission fluid tunnel there. We grab our first on 5 and then begin to add the fluid into the transmission. Alright, so once we got that transmission fluid filled, what we're going to do now is we're going to get into the car and we're going to start it and then let it run for a little bit, cycle through all of the gears. And this particular vehicle, we have to check the transmission fluid while it's hot and idling in park. So we're going to let it sit and run for a little bit, let the transmission warm, and then we'll check it. So start it. Park. See, it goes in a park. nice and hot. Alright, another thing you need to do is make sure that your transmission is not leaking. That makes sure that there's a good seal with that gasket. Alright, so once you check it and the transmission fluid is inside that crosshatch area, or the area that says it's good to go, then this job is complete. You should probably go on a test drive, make sure all the gears are still there, there's no slipping, stuff like that. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Curbside Mechanics. And until next time.